This is the 13th problem. Let me solve. Right here, 6 bells begin tolling together and toll at interval 2 seconds, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seconds respectively. The time after which they will toll together is, right. So it is simple LCM problem. Find the LCM for, that is 2, right, 4, 6, 8, 10 and as well as 12. Now start finding it. Start dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2s are, right, 2 3s are 4s are 5s are and 6 are, right. Again go with the 2, right. So 1 I can't divide, so now 2 1s are 3 I can't divide, so 2 2s are, right, 5 I can't divide, I'll keep 5 as it is, 2 3s are. Now let me go with the 3. This is 1 1, so 1s are, right, 2 I can't divide, 5 I can't divide, 3 1s are, right. Now the answer here is what, right, let us list out here 2 into 2, these 2 and one more 2, right, and 3, then 5, right. Let me multiply here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 3 into 5, right, 8 into 5 3s are 15, 15 8s are 120 seconds. After 120 seconds it is going to toll together, but the option here is they have given 2 minutes, 103 seconds, 150 seconds and 1 minute. Now so let me convert, so seconds to minute. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? It is 60 seconds. So therefore, so 120 seconds is equal to how many minutes? So that is going to be 120 by 60, right, which is going to be 2 minutes. So the answer is 2 minutes. Option A is the right one.